Most investors know about REC and IRFC bond, but there's a newer government-backed option that very few people are talking about, and it comes with one unique detail that you absolutely cannot miss. Hello everyone, today we are covering HUDCO Capital Gain Bond, brought to you by the Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited, a Government of India enterprise under Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. HUDCO is the newest entrant among capital gain bond issuer, but it carries same AAA safety and government backing as the others. If you are looking to save capital gain tax under Section 85, HUDCO is an option you should definitely explore. Let's get into it. HUDCO has been at the heart of India's urban and housing infrastructure for over 50 years. Its capital gain bonds are rated AAA by CARE, India Ratings and ICRA, giving investors top-tier confidence in safety for their investment. Sold within 24 months, this bond won't help. Section 85 applies only to long-term capital gain properly held 24 plus months. Short-term gain are taxed at your slab rate with no exemption. Confirm your holding period with your CA first. The interest rate is 5.25% per annum, paid out every year on 30th of April. No TDS is deducted from domestic investor, though as with all capital gain bonds, the interest income is taxable. Tip: don't let that annual interest sit idle. Put it to work via a mutual fund SIP, RD ladder FD or PPF and let it compound through a 5-year lock-in. Invest within 6 months of selling or before your ITR filing date, whichever is earlier. Running out of time, park the amount in capital gains account CGAS at any public sector bank to hold your exemption. Two unique things you must know about HUDCO bond. First, the check or demand draft for most collection banks, it should be drawn in favor of HUDCO capital gain bond. However, if you are submitting through HDFC Bank specifically, the account name changes to HUDCO Capital Gain Bonds Collection Account. Please double check this before filing your application. It's small but critical detail. HDFC Bank applicants use HUDCO Capital Gain Bond Collection Account, not the standard name. Second, interest and capital gain benefit for HUDCO bond. The investor is eligible for interest and capital gain benefit from the date funds are received in HUDCO account. So, please ensure your check or NEFT RTGS reaches HUDCO collection account promptly. Your benefits start from that exact date or lock-in redemption and application. The minimum investment is 20,000 and maximum per financial year is 50 lakh. Lock-in is 5 years. Like all other capital gain bonds, HUDCO are the non-transferable and cannot be pledged. No TDS for domestic investor, though interest is taxable. NRI's TDS applies at 30% plus surcharge and cess. DTAA with India, a lower rate may apply. Check with your tax advisor. On maturity, the bonds will be automatically redeemed by HUDCO and the process will be credited directly to your registered bank account. No surrender of bonds certificate. The subscription mode is 100% on application. No demat account is required. Physical bond certificates are available. Your existing bank check work for the application. No new account needed. Here are questions our investors frequently ask. First, when will my bonds be allotted? If payment is received between 1st to 15th of the month, bond will be allotted on last day of that same month. If payment is received between 16th to the last day, allotment is processed on 15th of the following month. Second, I have submitted my application. Can I claim the tax benefit right away? Yes. Once you submit your application at designated bank branch or collection center, you will receive an acknowledgement slip. This copy is sufficient for taxation purpose. You do not need to wait for actual bond certificate to claim your Section 85 tax exemption. Third, when will I receive my bonds after allotment? Demat mode, bonds will be credited to your Demat account within 10 to 15 days. Physical mode, the bond certificate will dispatch to your registered address within 15 to 45 days from the date of allotment. From when I am eligible for interest and capital gain benefit. For HUDCO bond, the investor is eligible for interest and capital gain benefit from the date of receipt of funds in HUDCO account. Please ensure your check or NEFT RTGS reaches HUDCO's collection account promptly, as your benefits start from that date. HUDCO capital gain bonds, a great addition to our capital gain tax saving strategy. Here is a quick summary. 5.25% annual interest paid out every 30 April, AAA rated by CARE, India Ratings and ICRA. No TDS for domestic investor. Government backed through India's urban development sector. interest and capital gain benefits start from the day funds are received in Khudko account. Don't delay. For application form guidance or home service in Pune, connect with us at Sandhya Finvest. Details are in description below. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more investment guidance. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our next video.